umaga po ulit sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Gwen and JIL na po ako ever since bata pa po ako. At recently po, nabigyan po ako ng opportunity para mag-train po sa South Korea as a singer-songwriter. And I started na po nung August this year. And I'm grateful nakauwi po ako for Christmas and this coming New Year kasama po ang aking family. So for about 4 months po, siguro po sa ibang tao, hindi po, 4 months, 5 months, sa ibang tao siguro po, hindi po siya masyadong, I think it's a short time for other people. But for me, it has been the longest I've been away from my family. Kaya, since I started this career po kasi, 10 years old po ako, kasama ko na po family ko every time. Sa lahat po ng performances, sa gigs, sa mga shows, sa backstage po, lagi po sila nandyan sumusuporta. And actually, pati ngayon, nandito po sila. Yes. And since I'm nagiging adult na po ako, 20 years old, living alone po sa South Korea, nagtitrain po doon. First time ko po, so it makes it all scary and new to me. Yet, nandito po ako to tell you na He has proven to me that I'm never alone. Kaya, and He has showed me how good He is and He has been to me. So for all the times I've wondered kung tama po ba ginagawa ko, kaya ko po ba to, kaya ko po ba for His glory, am I doing enough? He has reassured me all the time. And each day po is a challenge, but He has brought me through every single time. Kaya hindi man po madali, hindi man po laging gusto, but I always remind myself na let not my will, but His will be done. Kaya I want to share how good He has been to me. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in darkest nights. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Can everybody sing this with me? All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause your goodness is running after, it's running after me. 'Cause your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. 'Cause your goodness goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at itong kantang sa aking paglaki, ito po, this prayer, I've known it po and it is my prayer noong 2016 pa po, and it is still my prayer until now. And sa bagong taon na this coming new year, there's a lot of uncertainties po, diba? And this song, it actually reminded me of how our God is a God that can calm any uncertainty, any kind of storm. Kaya, I just want to offer this song to Him. Ito po ang aking dalangin. Kahit ako'y isang bata lamang, sa aking isipan ay may inaasam, ang siya'y aking makilalang lubusan at malaman ang kaniyang kabutihan. Sa tuwi na ay aking dinadalangin, ako'y laging maging masunuri, maging mabait at maibigin sa'yo, Jesus, at sa aking kapwa rin. Sa aking paglaki, ako sa'yo'y di lalayo. Jesus, mananatili ka dito sa aking puso. Ika'y aking susundin at paglilingkuran. Ikaw, Jesus, ikaw lamang, ngayon at kailanman. Ang buhay ko'y iyong pagpalain, aking hiling, lagi kang kapiling. Bawat araw ako'y iyong akayin, patnubayan mo sa aking landasin. At sa aking paglaki, ako sa'yo'y di lalayo. Jesus, mananatili ka dito sa aking puso. Ika'y aking susundin at paglilingkuran. Ikaw, Jesus, ikaw lamang, ngayon at kailanman. Bigyan ka ng lugod ang nais ko, masamyong handog ang iaalay sa'yo. At kahit minsan nagkukulang sa'yo, pagmamahal ito sa aking puso, ika'y aking susundin at paglilingkuran. Ikaw, Jesus, ikaw lamang, ngayon at kailanman. At kahit minsan nagkukulang sa'yo, ikaw, Jesus.